This video demonstrates how to import questions to the D2L question library using the CSV file. These are the type of file that are exported by the D2L question importer tool or saved using the question template. At the time of the making of this video, the preferred browser is Firefox. You may experience some problems using Chrome with D2L. If you need to learn how to make the CSV file, go to one of the following links below. After logging into your D2L site, click on Quizzes on the main navigation bar. Now click the blue New Quiz button. Under the General section, type in the name of the quiz. At the bottom of the page, click the blue Save and Close button. At the top of the new page, click the Question Library link. To avoid possible problems with your browser and D2L, complete the following steps before proceeding. While in the Question Library window, go to the upper right corner just below the navigation bar and click on the Settings. In the Display option window, check View Actions and Pop-up, and save. You're now ready to continue. We can now import your questions into the library. Under the page title, Question Library, click the blue New button, then select Section. On the New Section page, type in the title of your question library in the Section field. I recommend titling it something different from the quiz title to eliminate confusion between the quiz folder and the question folder. Click the blue Save button at the bottom of the page. On the next screen, click on the folder you just created. At the top of the next page, click on the gray Import button. Click on the Import Source drop-down menu. Select from a desire-to-learn text format file. Now click Browse. Navigate to the CSV file you created earlier following the steps outlined in the videos, using the question template, or using the D2L question importer tool. Click Open. Under Destination Collection, should be Question Library. Under the Destination section, there should be the title of the folder you just created in the question library. Click the blue Save button at the bottom of the page. The next page view will show all the imported questions. If you see a question mark inside a blue diamond, it means that D2L did not recognize the punctuation. This will not apply if you are using the D2L question import tool. This is most common with apostrophes and quotation marks. To edit, click on the question, then make changes in the text box, and save. It is a good idea to look at your questions using your question template. This can help to locate any punctuation problems there may be in the questions or responses. Now go to the main navigation bar and click on Quizzes. You are now ready to import your questions into your quiz. Under Manage Quizzes, select the folder you set up at the beginning of the video. Now click on the button labeled Add Edit Questions. On the next page, click on the blue button titled New. At this point, you will need to select either Section to use all the questions, or Random Section, and D2L will choose a selection of questions randomly from the library. I have chosen Random Section. The process is still basically the same from this point forward. Type a title, then click Save at the bottom of the page. On the next screen, click on the title of the folder you just created. Click on the gray Import button. Under Source Collection, it should say Question Library. Then under the Source section, select the title of the question folder that you created earlier. Now click next to the folder icon to check all the questions. Click Save at the bottom. In the field labeled Questions per Attempts, type the number of questions you would like D2L to pull from the library for any given quiz. I've typed in 25 for this example. You are now ready to set up the quiz for your students.